Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. Well, this time we're going to do something special, but I wanted to say a special few words for a special friend, which was Robert Butcher, who died, I just learned, on the 24th of November of 2017. He was 75. He was such a great guy. I met this guy on a symposium that we did together, where we show our painting and everything. He was one of the great painters in Quebec. He learned with the greatest of them all. He leaves 2 children, and he died suddenly. That's a shame though, because he was such a nice guy. It's been a few times that I was trying to meet him, but every time I went to his house, nobody was there. It felt kind of strange, but since I didn't have his phone, I let it go. I say I don't want to disturb him or anything, but it's life, I guess. So he just died, and I want to say my deepest condolence to the family and friend of Robert, who was a great guy and who did teach me a lot of things about painting. I'm going to put a link in the description so you can go see his art gallery and everything that he did. You're gonna see he was a guy who used to go for a couple of years, more than a couple of years. He went down south in Key West to stay for the winter with his Harley. So he was kind of a great guy. He was one hell of a character, so fun to be with, that's crazy. So guys, let's go back to our painting. I'm gonna do something in the same feeling about death and everything, you know. I'm gonna take something, we're gonna do something special. We're gonna take self-adhesive vinyl, and I did half of a canvas. I already did a dirty pour over it, and we're gonna put, as you see here, that's half of a canvas, and over here I did make the silhouette, the face silhouette of a woman, and we're going to put it there with adhesive vinyl. So, and we're going to do another pouring, but with more vibrant colors. It's going to be a nice contrast. So we see how it goes. So let's go ahead, guys. So guys, it's done. So listen, I think it's great. I think the finish is incredible. We have two techniques in one. The part where you see the side face, it was a dirty pour, but I think I did like a flip cup and I move it around a bit. I didn't use anything I didn't use silicone or anything, just acrylic and water. And on the other side, as you might have seen, I did use some varnish. I did mix varnish with my acrylic and water. I think the finish looked great. I think it's a nice illusion of the side of the face, and you know, there's more detail on the part where you see the half of the face. It's like, you know, it's more complex, like a person is. So I think it's a nice contrast between the both of them. It gave me the idea to do something else like this in the future. We're gonna try a lot of things that way. I think it looks great. It's a technique which I like very much because we mix abstract and reality, so I think it's a nice way to go about it. So anyway guys, like always, I hope you enjoy. I hope you're gonna come back. Thanks for being there, and like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. So see you on the next painting video. Ciao, take care. Salut mon Bob.